Hi everyone, my name is Bulani Mudimwe from Longrich Bioscience International, and I am all the way from South Africa. All right, today my product of the day is the Nutri-Rich uh, product range, which is our slimming tea. As you can see, there's quite a variety of products, but I am going to talk about our pink tea. Right, Longrich Bioscience International manufactures over 2,000 products, and these are just some of them. This is like the tip of the iceberg of the Longrich products. All right, let's get into it. Now, our Nutri-Rich pink tea, also known as the slimming tea, is not only good for slimming, and you will soon find out what else it's great for. Our pink tea has 5 main ingredients, which is namely the green tea, lotus leaf, Poria cocos, cinnamon, cassia, and chrysanthemum. Right, now let's get into the benefits. Right, our pink tea is an immune booster. Remember, it also has green tea, amongst other things. All right, it has immune boosting capabilities. It aids in weight loss. Our slimming tea increases metabolism. It's high in dietary fiber, which aids in the weight loss. Right. It works to intensify the level of fat oxidation and the rate at which one's body turns food into calories, thanks to the polyphenol found in the green tea. Right. This tea helps regulate glucose level, showing the rise of blood sugar after eating. This can prevent a high insulin spike, all right? Specifically in type 2 diabetes people, all thanks to the green tea and the lotus leaf. Right. The pink tea also lowers the risk of heart disease. I will get into that a little bit later. Um, it can reduce bad cholesterol in blood and improve the ratio of good cholesterol to bad cholesterol. So it also helps in cholesterol. So it helps with sugar diabetes and cholesterol, bad cholesterol. Now, when I say sugar and cholesterol, I'm also including those with uncontrolled cholesterol and uncontrolled sugar diabetes, all right? So this means that you're taking medication, but it is still uncontrolled. So on the cholesterol, you can thank the lotus leaf properties and the cinnamon cassia. Right. It's also used to treat constipation and remove heat from liver. Liver heat is also known as liver fire. Right. Signs of liver fire or liver heat are red face and eyes. Right. Normally, I've seen that in those who drink too much alcohol. They have a red face, red eyes. It's like they're constantly blushing, but they're not. Outburst of anger are signs of liver fire, that you have liver fire. Dizziness, ringing in the ears might be some of the signs. A dry mouth and thirst, so you're drinking water but you are still thirsty. Muscle tightness in the neck and the shoulders, right? Those might be signs of you having liver heat. Now, our pink tea also lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Okay, cardiovascular disease is the name for the group of disorders, right, of heart and blood vessels. This might include hypertension, so high blood, coronary disease or heart attack, and congenital rheumatic and ischemic heart disease, or heart failure, blood clots in the leg or veins, which is called deep vein thrombosis, which may dislodge and move to the heart or the lungs, which then is called a pulmonary embolism. All right. When I say lowest risk of cardiovascular diseases, I'm including all those: the high blood, hypertension, coronary disease, which is heart attack, congenital rheumatic, ischemic heart disease, and stroke. All right, which are the leading causes of death globally. So the cardiovascular diseases and stroke are the leading causes of death globally. So a pink tea can help lower the risk of those. It also improves brain function and protects the brain from aging. Remember, we age. The skin ages, the internal organs age, the brain also ages. So a pink tea helps improve brain function and protects the brain from aging. It also has oral health benefits thanks to the green tea. It's also cancer fighting as it's loaded, it's jam packed with antioxidants, all right? It promotes relaxation without drowsiness thanks to the L-theanine amino acid from the green tea and the chrysanthemum. It helps fight PMS. It helps regulate the menstrual cycle and stop or minimize excessive bleeding thanks to the lotus leaf. Do you see that our pink tea has a lot of benefits, eh? It's not just for slimming. It can halt diarrhea as it contains both fiber and complex carbohydrates thanks to the lotus leaf. It relieves inflammation. Now, the lotus leaf, the cassia, and chrysanthemum have anti-inflammatory properties. So, if you are a person that is prone to inflammation, like our arthritis patients, maybe you should look into supplementing with our pink tea. All right, it also helps with the following. It fights amnesia, fatigue, restlessness, dizziness, urination problems, fluid retention, insomnia, and enlarged spleen. Helps control coughing. There are people that are constantly coughing without them actually having flu or cold symptoms. They are just coughing. So maybe you should look into supplementing with our pink tea. It helps fight against kidney inflammation, ringing in the ear. Again, I mention it. It decreases upper gastrointestinal bleeding. It might also have anti-tumor and anti-vomiting effects. These benefits are all thanks to the Poria cocos, which comes from mushrooms. Remember, mushrooms have a lot of health benefits. For those who do not know, it also protects and cleans the liver. So those who are on chronic medication or those who are always on medication, please look into supplementing with our pink tea, all right, for your liver. As medication, the liver works a lot when you are on chronic medication, when you are an excessive alcohol drinker. Please look into that. All right, our pink tea also does the following, helps with the following. It brightens the eyes, it relieves headaches, and is anti-aging, all thanks to the cassia. Now, when it comes to the headaches, it does really work. I had a headache early this morning, and it went away. I drank a nice makulu size mug of our pink tea, and it's gone. I didn't need to drink painkillers. All right. Our pink tea is also antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. Isn't that great to know during this time of the season or this time in the world? Remember the pandemic? Thanks to the green tea and the cassia. Alright, our pink tea also has neuroprotective properties thanks to the cassia again, making it an attractive option for stroke survivors and those with epilepsy, dementia, and Alzheimer's. Right, our pink tea can help those with photophobia who have an increased sensitivity to light. Please note that cassia is also present in our other teas, which is the green tea and the brown tea. It can help with respiratory problems as well, thanks to the green tea and the cassia. It helps with hyperthyroidism. Now, I'm going to go a little bit deeper on the hyperthyroidism and you'll understand why. Okay, hyperthyroidism is the production of too much thyroxine hormone that can increase metabolism symptoms. Thyroxine is the main hormone secreted in the bloodstream by the thyroid gland, which is here now, in our throats. It plays a vital role in digestion, heart and muscle function, brain development, bone maintenance, and metabolism. It affects almost all of the body system, which means proper thyroxine levels are vital for health. Now, for women, women are affected by this condition more than in men. About 1 in 8 women will develop a thyroid problem during her lifespan. All right. So in women, thyroid disease can cause problems with menstrual period. All right. So we're talking about the cramps, the PMS in general. Some symptoms of hyperthyroidism may include the following: unexpected weight loss, irregular heartbeat, including palpitations, mood swings, panic attacks, insomnia, hair loss, diarrhea, muscle weakness, etc. So this is quite a serious problem, hey? The hyperthyroidism. There are people who actually have it without knowing. When I reflect back on my life, I actually notice that even myself, I have had this problem, all right, and some colleagues of mine, all right. Now, we are almost at the end of our video. All right. Sugar diabetes is the leading underlying cause of death among females in South Africa. And then in men, the leading underlying cause of death is tuberculosis, which is TB. This is according to the Stats SA findings of 2018. Though in general, TB remains the leading underlying cause of death, followed by diabetes. So this means we are losing more men in South Africa. This is obviously apart from the COVID-19 stats, all right, because COVID-19 is quite new. All right. So sugar diabetic patients, please have a look at supplementing your diet with our pink tea, right? Longrich Nutri-rich teas help fight against the leading causes of global deaths as well, which are heart diseases. Those are number one. Stroke, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and lower respiratory infections, etc. Obviously, always seek medical attention when you're having a health concern. You just supplement with our products. Please supplement with our teas, as prevention is better. Prevention is better and cheaper than cure. Please note, pink tea is not for pregnant women or breastfeeding mummies or those with a normal weight. I know that there are some people who are really obsessed with losing weight, even if their weight is normal, their BMI is on point. So please, because our pink tea is quite strong, especially when you take it over a period of time. Now you can take about 2 boxes in a month for those with chronic illnesses. Okay. I hope I've been helpful in showing you that our pink tea is not just for slimming, but it's also an immune booster. It helps those with who have especially type 2 diabetes, those fighting some respiratory infection. It's also good for oral health, and it's also a cancer fighter. Right. I hope I've been helpful. Bulani Mundimo, over and out.